In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to quickly turn your photo into a cartoon using the Photolab website. I am also going to show how the cartoon head image can be combined with a body caricature wearing a school uniform using Canva. As a bonus, I will share with you where you can get the caricature bodies wearing school uniforms that will be used in this demonstration. Let's begin. Go to photolab.me on your browser. This website allows us to turn our photos into caricature. There are three tabs that we can see here. First is tab combos, next is trending, and third is recent. I will go to tab combos and will use this combo contributed by Ali Raiza Yaila. Here we have a glimpse of what will appear after processing the photo. Click the Apply to your photo button. I will find my photo and open it. I can change its size by using the slider located at the middle of the screen, or I can use the predefined size on the left. After selecting the size, press Continue. Wait until the photo is processed. We will be presented with several results. Let's select one to continue. As we can see, we have successfully converted my image into a cartoon. On this page, we have the ability to share it with different social media and messaging applications. We can even copy its link. For now, I will click the download icon. This will save the image to my computer. The next step is to open canva.com. I will use Canva to combine the photo that I just downloaded with another image. There are several templates of bodies with school uniforms that are available for free. I will share them with you in a few moments. Let's now click the Create a Design button. We can choose the suggested sizes or we can set a custom size. For this demo, I will use an education presentation. I will now upload the photo that I just turned into a caricature. Drag it to the slide. Click the Edit Image, then choose the Background Remover tool. Once done, click Apply. Crop the image so that only the face and neck will be shown. I would like to use a caricature body that was shared by Miss Jen Vitancor in Canva for Pinoy Teachers Facebook group. I will add its link in the description in case you need a copy of that too. Click the download icon located at the upper right. It has been downloaded to my computer. Let's go back to my slide on Canva. Upload the image, drag it to the slide, click Edit Image and select the Background Remover tool. Crop so only one will be shown. Resize and adjust the body image and the face photo until they are combined seamlessly. One way to achieve this is by moving the body to the front of the head. This looks fine to me. I will put it first to the left side so I can use another template. This another template was shared in the Canva community also. The contributor's name is Mr. Sonny Boy Arciaga. I will also add the link to the description for easier access in case you will need it too. Click the Use Template button. I'll choose one of these four options. Right-click on it and select Copy. Go back to the Canvas slide that we are working on. Press Ctrl V to paste. I will select the head image and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Move it to the top of the other body. Resize and adjust. We can also group the body and head. Simply highlight them. Right-click and select Group. Highlight them. Right-click and select Group. Let me rename this file to Male Teacher Caricature. If we need to save this to our computer, click the download icon, set as PNG file. Press the download button. I will open it to see our final output. And here's our final output. These are some of my class materials where I included my caricature, classroom agenda, interactive slide activity for students, thumbnail for my YouTube videos. If you find this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Please feel free to leave your comments, questions, and suggestions. Thank you!